Hello YouTube. So today I have something interesting. After using Samsung A52 for a couple of years, I now upgraded to Samsung S21 FE. I just got the delivery, doing unboxing right in front of you. So the prices for this particular model of Snapdragon 888 dropped a lot, and that was main point of my attraction. And I purchased it from the Samsung shop, official Samsung store, because they had the 256 variant, and they provided some. The price was not as good as Flipkart, but they provided some additional freebies like warranty, special warranty for accidental cover and liquid damage. So I use my phone carefully, but my main reason to buy it from Samsung website was because of unavailability of stock. The 256 GB variant was available over there, and as you know, this one doesn't have the expandable memory. That's why I went with the 256 GB variant. I got it for 33.5k Indian rupees, and as this is a global phone, I'm making this video in English. So that's all. You will get the packaging from official Samsung store. They sent it via Blue Dart. I got it just in time of 2 days. So this is how the box looks. They are trying to copy the Apple packaging. This is same like iPhone only. S21 FE 5G, Samsung seal on both of the sides. These are some specs. It's manufactured in same month, October 2023. MRP is 75,000 rupees. So I upgraded from this is 8GB to 56GB variant. I am upgraded from A series to S series, and S series is considered as the flagship series. Returns allowed within 14 days of purchase, only in case of product failure. I wanted a lavender color, but it was not in stock. So I said let's compromise on color thing, because having phone is more important. And I waited for this sale just to have Snapdragon processor. All phones by Samsung are now with that shitty Exynos processor, which I definitely don't like. Box is pretty durable. Very sturdy box, I can say. It's not a flimsy box like other phones. Very heavy box it is. I'm not sure. Okay, it opened. So this is how the phone looks. Okay, let me check what else I have into the box. I'm pretty sure they won't give anything. Type C to Type C cable, warranty card, original log guide, and some how to remove the SIM slot. You can only install 2 SIM cards. There is no SD card slot. Flagship models are pretty much compromised. The main reason for the compromise is they want to make it slimmest as possible. That's the reason Okay, nothing else. This is ticked. Okay, you can't remove it. Nice. So this is how the phone looks. How to remove this sticker, man. Okay, this type of protection film you will get. No screen guard, nothing. No doubt this is premium. This is a metal strip, and that's why you see these antennas over here. This is an antenna for reception, and one more over here. Only two antennas. No, two more on the bottom. Let's see on the top side. Okay, one more on the top side. So if you are using the phone with the metal body, remember that you should not hide these antennas by any chance. No 3.5 mm jack. How I am supposed to use my microphone now? Okay, I will have to buy extension separately to convert this type C cable into a 3.5 mm jack. It's pretty heavy. It's not lightweight, but it's slim. You can see on the sides they are given the matte finish. Okay, so the main worry I have is it should have a Snapdragon processor only, because some shocking news I got that some people got the Exynos processor even though they booked a Snapdragon. SIM ejector pin is here, and the cable. That's all you will have, nothing else. Now let's turn it on. There is a ring on camera, but I don't think it is a screen guard or something. Let me focus on it. So my old Samsung A52 is going strong. It has Snapdragon 720 processor, and I am really happy with it. This phone is designed. In fact, all the flagship phones are designed for single hand usage, and I'm really finding it handy. Okay, now let me quickly set it up. I won't waste your time. This display is of 2x resolution. It's not a full HD one. It's a 2K resolution display. My main purpose to buy this phone was a camera. I'm going to use this as my primary camera for all my YouTube videos. That's why I brought this phone. I waited for 2 months just so that M44 will get launched, but M44 is not yet launched. It will get the same processor as this one, Snapdragon 888. But why not to have a flagship phone instead of the M series budget phone? That's why I decided to invest a little more and get this one. And I won't copy everything. I don't want to copy everything. I will just copy the phone contacts and some videos, important videos and all. Because if you copy everything, then it doesn't make sense. You will have to format it after some days. Okay, let me configure it and then we will continue with the video. So I am pretty much done with the setup. Now here comes the interesting part. I configured it, the basic configuration I am done with. Okay. Fingerprint doesn't match. The phone is okay, now it works. So this is a Snapdragon 888 version. No need to worry about it. I got the correct model. This is CPU-Z application, which will give you all the true specs of your phone. You can see the RAM, it's 8 gigs of RAM. Internal memory is around 224 GB. 218 is available. Android 13. This is the battery specs. Here you can see the temperature. These are all the sensors. Okay, now it's showing the advertisement. So this is how the phone looks. It's already a little warm, to be honest. So people say that Snapdragon 888 gets warm. It's true. They are not lying. So camera is pretty much the same. It has extra dual recording. Okay, so it will record on both of the screens at the same time. This is the front camera. Okay, front camera is brilliant. Tomorrow I will take some shots in bright sunlight, and I will attach with the same video the camera samples. So this is pretty much all about this phone. Other things I will explore with the time and then I will update you. So there are very few bloatwares. I think no bloatware at all. No bloatware. Okay. So this is the benefit of having a flagship phone, that you will get no nonsense premium service. Okay, there is no third party application. This is the first application which I downloaded, which is CPU-Z, to see the specs, if it is a Snapdragon or not. At the end of the video I will capture some samples of the video and photos and I will attach with the same video. So this was all regarding my new Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 256 GB variant, made in India. If you have any questions regarding this phone, drop your comments below. I repeat, I got this for 33.5K from official Samsung website. And phone is really good. The display is crisp and clear. The first thing I will do is I will have a screen guard, and I am happy that it's not a curved screen, because if you have the curved screen you will have it comes with its own challenges. You will have to get a screen guard which is of 11D shape, which has the black border into the corners, and I really hate it because if you don't stick it perfectly with the 100% perfection, it will end up eating some area of your screen. So the transparent normal screen guard is any day preferable, and one back cover. I hope after installing the back cover the reception won't drop down, because if you they have given it in right place, but if your hand comes over here the reception will drop. That's the problem with the phones which have the metallic casing. Let's open the SIM ejection tool. I have not shown you that. Okay, so this one is for SIM ejection. I had my LG G7, most of you guys might be knowing about it. So I did a mistake of breaking its microphone, considering it as a SIM ejection tool, SIM ejection hole, and the microphone is still working but I don't want to do that kind of mistake with this phone. I don't know why it's not coming out. Okay, you have to press it really hard and then it comes out. Okay, this is the SIM 1, this is for SIM 2. Anyway, I'm gonna use only one SIM. It's made of metal. Okay guys, you can see that it's not some cheap plastic, and it has the rubber covering on it because this is a IP68 rated phone, waterproof phone. So that's all regarding the unboxing and basic first impression of this Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Okay, it detected that I removed the screen SIM ejector tool, and it's giving me the warning that make sure you are keeping your phone far away from the water, which is really good thing. Okay, that's all. Now at the end of the video you will enjoy some raw samples of videos and photos, and let me know your views about this phone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud. So this is the video from main camera. It's a full HD video. Now I will switch to wide angle lens. So this is the video from wide angle lens. This is telescopic lens. You can see the effect.